Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since February 20th, 2025, our system has ranked Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.6. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of negative 1.88%. This amounts to an average loss of negative 0.94% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a declining trend in the short term, presenting a potentially favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $404.46 be breached, it could indicate a more pronounced decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 5.47% over the next 3 months, with a predicted return ranging from negative 6.35% to positive 1.85%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 1.63% over the coming year, with a possible return between negative 0.61% and positive 17.57%. This implies a price range of $405.80 to $480.03 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Microsoft stock price down 1.88% on Friday. The Microsoft stock price fell by 1.88% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, moving from $416.13 to $408.29. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 2.49%, reaching a low of $407.89 and a high of $418.05. The price has experienced ups and downs during this time, resulting in a loss of 1.81% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased by 4 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 26 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $10.65 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $468.35, while the lowest was $385.58. Currently, the price stands 12.82%, or $60.06, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is in the spotlight today, primarily due to developments in quantum computing. The tech giant has introduced its latest quantum chip, Majorana 1, which marks a significant leap in the field. However, there is speculation that this ambitious initiative may be facing hurdles, with technical analysis indicating a potential death cross, a bearish sign that could affect investor sentiment in the short term. On another front, the stock's outlook is bolstered by ongoing investments in artificial intelligence and cloud services. Analysts are reiterating that Microsoft is a buy, attributing steady earnings growth to its strategic focus in these areas. While heavy capital expenditures are putting pressure on free cash flow now, the expectation is that these investments will yield significant benefits moving forward, particularly as capital spending is forecasted to stabilize by fiscal 2026. There are concerns, however, stemming from an investigation into a potential violation related to Activision's Call of Duty platform, which could create reputational risks for Microsoft. Additionally, some analysts are advocating for diversification away from major technology stocks like Microsoft in light of the broader market volatility fueled by political uncertainty. In the short term, these mixed signals may lead to volatility in Microsoft's stock price. However, over the long haul, if Microsoft continues to capitalize on its investments in artificial intelligence and cloud technology while navigating these challenges effectively, it could solidify its position as a strong performer in the tech space. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, UBS gave Microsoft a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Needham provided a hold rating for Microsoft with a hold action. On the same date, Piper Sandler assigned a neutral grade to Microsoft along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Microsoft stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. When there are upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $410.98 and $421.50. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 28, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 8.7%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock requires closer monitoring. Here are some additional signals that might interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 18 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 17 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.16 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.49%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 1.55%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a fairly typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.20. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. It is important to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The overall average rating for Microsoft, according to various analyst sources, is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Emma N. Walmsley executed an insider purchase of 150,581 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, John W. Stanton conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. Also on the 31st of January, Charles W. Scharf made an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On that same date, Carlos A. Rodriguez purchased 255,987 shares of restricted stock units. Lastly, Penny S. Pritzker executed an insider purchase of 240,929 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 6.884. In total, insiders acquired 537,927 shares and sold 460,630 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft exhibits several negative indicators and is following a declining trend, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading session, our analysis indicates that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of February, we anticipate Microsoft will open with an increase of $3.12, beginning trading at $411.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.